When we first thought about the social life of the factory, we thought about the factory as a social institution, really, and we wanted to focus it on a particular firm, the Leicester firm of Cora, through the 20th century. Now, factories, I think, first and foremost, were places of production, and a lot of the materials that you can see here are architectural drawings and photographs of technology processes, which tell us a lot about the nature of work and how work was organized. But the workforce was organized as well by age, gender, ethnicity. So you'll find in some rooms, for example, you can see that women more or less alone or sometimes under male supervision were working, and that can prompt questions about how hierarchies might have worked within the factory and how they might have been reproduced there. The social life of the factory also implies a life of sociability and leisure as well, and we got some very interesting material here on works outings, on sports days, on Christmas festivities in the firm, a lot of which were captured in the House magazine, the Cora Journal. One of the things that I think is often surprising and that certainly seems to have caught people unawares at the time was the sudden ending of firms, and Cora was no different. Its House magazine ends very suddenly in the 1980s. So the social life of the factory tells us about what it was like to work in a social institution like that in the 20th century, and it also tells us about historical processes, work processes, about how work itself got under the skin of life.